Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Taufik Wijaya. Saya dari Prodi TBI semester 5 kelas A. Saya kali ini akan buat video UTS Basic Translation tentang dialog 1. A. Good morning, Miss Masita. My name is Jane Smith and I am from the Federal Police. Mengapa saya dibawa ke kantor ini? Apa kesalahan saya? A. You are brought to this office to answer some question regarding the money found in your handbag. You have in your possession Ya, saya tahu, tetapi mengapa? Apa salah saya? A. You should declare diving the money from custom purpose. Loh, saya diberitahu teman saya bahwa hanya barang-barang lapangan saja yang harus dilaporkan ke bea cukai. Saya kan tidak membawa apa-apa. Saya hanya bawa baju dan buku untuk anak-anak saya. Sekarang saya keluar ketemu mereka. A. Please do not worry. They have been asked to come in here. They are on their way. In the meantime, there are some questions that you have to answer first before we can release you. Do you understand? Ya, saya mengerti. A. Right. Now, first of all, why did you declare the money when you filled in the form before December King? You did not stick yes to the question of whether you have more than 3,000 Australian dollars you found arrival in Australia. Saya tidak tahu bahwa uang itu harus saya laporkan. A. But it's in the form. Saya tidak begitu mengerti, jadi saya isi no semua. A. Is this your first visit to Australia? When did you first enter Australia? Ini kunjungan saya yang ketiga. 2 anak saya kuliah di sini, jadi saya datang ke sini untuk menengok mereka. Uang yang saya bawa itu adalah untuk menambah uang kuliah mereka. A. Right. Third visit. So you should know by now that you are not allowed to bring that much money into Australia without declaring it. If you are not sure about your answer in the form, there are flight attendants on board the plane and you can ask them. Tapi itu kan uang saya sendiri. Apa salahnya? Mengapa saya harus melaporkannya? A. We know it's your own money, but you know that you declare it before entering Australia for custom purpose. However, you did not do this. It's a criminal offense, and we have to bring you to the police station for official pressing charges against you. Aduh, saya takut. Bolehkah saya minta bantuan pengacara? Tetapi saya tidak punya uang untuk bayar, karena uang yang saya bawa itu buat bayar kuliah anak saya. A. Yes, you can have a legal advice, and it's free. We will give you list and your doctor can help you contact them. Kemudian dialog yang kedua. A. This is the Immigration Review Tribunal. Mirs Harjanto, are you ready for the proceedings? E. Ya, saya siap. Bolehkah pengacara saya duduk juga dalam ruangan ini? A. Yes, he can take a seat the back, but no next to you. A. No, for court purpose. Could you please repeat what I say, and do not forget to state your from first. Please stand up. Lina Harjanto, I am here with. I will tell the court nothing but the truth, and my statement can be used against me in the court of law. Now we can start. Mr. Harjanto, do you know why you have been brought to this court? E. Ya, saya tahu. Itu karena saya pindah rumah tanpa memberitahu kepada imigrasi. A. Right. Why did you do that? E. Saya bertengkar dengan pemilik rumah tempat saya tinggal dan saya diusir dari rumah itu. A. That's not what Mr. Padapolous says in his statement to this office. E. Dia bohong. A. You know very well that you have been granted a brief visa of 6 months by this office on the condition that 1. You do not move house without telling this office, and 2. You do not work here in Australia. E. Ya, saya tahu. Saya memang mau kasih tahu imigrasi bahwa saya pindah rumah, tapi saya keburu ditangkap sama polisi imigrasi. Saya sudah mau lapor kok. A. Why did you wait that long to report to you? You have been in that new house for a month. E. Ya, saya sibuk. Saya minta maaf. A. The visa was granted on the condition that you do not take any job of any kind. E. Saya memang tidak kerja kok. Saya cuma membantu teman saya merawat orang tua jompo di rumahnya. Itu pun cuma 4 jam seminggu dan saya tidak dibayar, hanya diberi makan. A. But I have a written report here the before moving house you worked in brothel. E. Loh, saya nggak bekerja sebagai pelacur kok di situ. Siapa yang bilang? Jangan percaya laporan itu. Pak Padapolous itu bohong. Dia suka sama saya dan dia bohong. A. Mr. Padapolous does run a brothel, and he stated here in this letter that you did work for him until you ran away from, he said. E. Dia menyakiti saya dan berbohong sama saya. Katanya dia mau menikahi saya supaya saya bisa tinggal terus di Australia. Saya tidak bisa pulang. Saya kan Cina di Indonesia kan dimusuhi sama pemerintah Indonesia. A. Mr. Padapolous said in his letter that you agreed to work for him in his brothel and that you agreed to stay in his house until your breeding visa expires. E. Dia bohong. Kemudian dialog yang ketiga. A. Good morning, Mr. Gunawan. I am Dr. Cheng. I am the one who will do the operational on your husband's heart. E. Terima kasih dokter. Apakah jantungnya akan membaik? A. His condition is stable, and his spirit, so do not worry. I will do the best I can. Ini dialog yang ketiga ya. Kalau boleh tanya, apakah yang akan dioperasi? Apakah dokter yang mengeluarkan jantung untuk dioperasi? A. As I told you and your husband before, it's the blood capillaries which are blocked. Blood clottings were found in these capillaries. This was what caused the main attack 2 months ago. Unless we do something, another attack will follow. Jadi dokter akan mengambil pembuluh jantungnya itu. Terus diganti dengan apa? Dengan pembuluh buatan. Amankah pembuluh buatan itu? Berapa lama bertahannya? A. Yes, we will have to remove them, and no, we will not use artificial capillaries instead. Jadi apa menggantinya? Apakah harus pakai mesin secara menyeluruh? A. No, his own heart on be replaced with new capillaries, which will be taken from capillaries in calves. That's why we will perform 2 operations. Firstly, we will perform an operation on his calves and take the new capillaries from there. Second, we will perform another operation, this time on his hair. Remove the damaged capillaries and put in the anus from his calves. Apakah itu tidak akan mengganggu kakinya nanti? Apakah dia akan lumpuh kalau pembuluhnya diambil dari sana? A. That's not the case. He will still be able to walk as normal. Apakah darahnya akan dipompa keluar? Apakah akan dibuang? Dia akan dapat darah baru. Kalau begitu saya harus mencari donor darah yang bersih dari virus HIV. A. We will pump his blood out of the heart. That's true, but we won't need new blood. His own blood will be replaced after the transplant. Terima kasih dokter. A. Good, please do not worry. Sekian video dari